NCRT Exemplar Problems, Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. Let's start. In some animal groups, the body is found divided into compartments with at least some organ repeated. This characteristic feature is termed as segmentation, metamerism, metagenesis, metamorphosis. So, process of compartmentalization of the body into segments, we can say metameric segmentation, we can say. So, what is our answer? Metamerism. Then, what is metagenesis? The polyp asexually reproduce medusa, medusa sexually reproduce polyp, then medusa. These kind of alternation of generations we can call metagenesis. So process of segmentation they ask. So that's why our answer is metamerism. Second question. Given below are types of cells present in some animal. Each one is specialized to perform a single specific function except. So given are choanocytes, interstitial cell, gastrodermal cell, nematocyte. Choanocytes are the cells of phylum Porifera for intracellular digestion and about gastrodermal cells, lining of cylinderates, they are for digestion again, intracellular digestion. Nematocytes are nidoblast cells, even they have a single function of defense protection wise. Interstitial cells is the best answer because we can call interstitial cells as a totipotent cells, which means can form all types of cells. Totipotent cells which form all types of cells. That's why what is our answer then? Interstitial cells. Which one of the following sets of animals share a four-chambered heart? Amphibia, reptile, birds, crocodile, birds and mammal, crocodile, lizards and turtles, lizards, mammals and birds, amphibian, three-chambered heart, reptilia, three-chambered, birds, four-chambered. So then lizard, three-chambered, mammal, four-chambered, birds, four-chambered. Crocodile, four-chambered, lizard, three-chambered, turtle, three-chambered. So what is our answer then? Crocodile, birds, mammals are having four-chambered heart. Which of the following pairs of animals has non-glandular skin? Options: snake and frog, chameleon and turtle, frog and pigeon, crocodile and tiger. So reptiles are having that this kind of dry non-glandular skin. So snake is a reptile but frog is not. Here chameleon is a reptile and turtle is a reptile. So this is going to be our answer here. Chameleon and turtle. Birds and mammals share one of the following characteristics as a common feature: pigmented skin, elementary canal with some modification, viviparity, warm-blooded nature. So birds and mammals are homeothermic in nature, homeothermic in condition, which we call it as warm-blooded condition. So pigmented skin is a characteristic feature of mammalia. Elementary canal with some modifications like crop and gizzard is a characteristic feature of aves. Okay, then viviparity, that aves are oviparous, mammals excepting egg-laying mammals are viviparous. So common feature for both aves and mammals is going to be warm-blooded nature. Which one of the following sets of animal belongs to a single taxonomic group? Single taxonomic group. Sepia, cuttlefish belongs to phylum Mollusca. Jellyfish belongs to phylum Coelenterata. Silverfish belongs to Arthropoda. Dogfish belongs to Chondrichthyes. Starfish belongs to the phylum Echinodermata. So here about silkworm, Arthropoda, tapeworm, phylum Platyhelminthes, earthworm, Annelida. Okay, so bat. About bat, mammal, pigeon, bird, aves, butterfly, Arthropoda. So monkey, chimpanzee, man. All the three belongs to the class Mammalia. So what is our answer then? Monkey, chimpanzee, man. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Mesoglia is present between ectoderm and endoderm in Obelia. Radial symmetry is found in Asterias. Fasciola is a pseudocoelomate animal. Taenia is a triploblastic animal. So radial symmetry is found in Asterias in adult stages. That's true. Mesoglia present in between ectoderm and endoderm. That's true. Fasciola belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes. So what kind of coelom is present in them? A coelom. So what is our answer then? Fasciola is a platyhelminth with the acoelomate condition. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? In cockroaches and prawn, excretion of waste material occur through Malpighian tubule. In Ctenophora, locomotion is mediated by comb plate. In Fasciola, flame cells take part in excretion. Earthworms are hermaphrodite and at cross fertilization takes place among them. So Malpighian tubules are the cockroach excretory organs, okay, but prawns are having green glands. Green glands or antennary glands are present. So, what is our answer then? In cockroaches and prawns, excretion of waste material occurs through Malpighian tubule. Which one of the following is oviparous? Platypus, flying fox, elephant, whale. Platypus, duckbill platypus. We call it as egg-laying mammal. So, in that way, what is our answer? Platypus. Which one of the following is not a poisonous snake? Given cobra, viper, python, kite. So, among these, the python is the non-poisonous snake. So, math the following is given here that in the column 1, division of labor, organ level, cellular level, tissue level, organ system level. The options are given Ferritima, Fasciola, Spongilla, Obelia. Let's start from organ level. Organ level of organization is present in phylum Platyhelminthes, so we are selecting Fasciola hepatica. Cellular level in phylum Porifera, that's why we are selecting sponges. Tissue level of organization is there in Obelia, Coelenterata. Organ system level, that is in Aschelminthes to Chordata, we have an example of Ferritima from phylum Annelida. So, what is our answer then? C. Body cavity is the cavity present between the body wall and gut wall. In some animal, body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Such animals are called. Here, between the body wall and gut, if there is no body cavity, it's completely filled with mesenchymal tissue, we call such kind of body cavity as acoelom. Then, if the body cavity is there between the body wall and gut wall, and but that should be lined by mesoderm on both sides, both ectoderm side and endoderm side. If it is lined by mesoderm, such kind of body cavity is said to be coelomate. So here the question asked here, between the body wall and gut wall, there is a cavity. Cavity is there, but the cavity is not lined by mesoderm. So what is our answer then? pseudocoelom, which is having only scattered mesodermal pouches. So what is our answer then here? Pseudocoelomate. Match the column A with column B. Choose the correct option. The column A is given Porifera, Aschelhelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata. Here the unique features given: canal system, water vascular system, muscular pharynx, comb plate, metameer, jointed appendages. So phylum Porifera, canal system. Phylum Aschelhelminthes, non-muscular gut with muscular pharynx. Annelida, metameric segmentation is a unique feature. Arthropoda, we can take jointed appendages. Echinodermata, water vascular system. Echinodermata, water vascular system. So, what is our answer then? C. So, this is all about exemplar biology, animal kingdom. Thank you.